Hello guys, I'm Karthik from Kriti Creations and today I'm going to teach you how you can do the thumb around and it looks like this. So it is quite simple but it looks really nice as you can see. And I'm using a pen here. You can use something else also, like you can even use a pencil. It doesn't matter. You can even do it with a knife or a screwdriver, anything. So in this video I'm going to use this pen. I really like this pen. So the first step is that hold the pen like this. Take your index finger, middle finger, and the thumb, and place the pen right here. And then push the pen with your middle finger, and it will go around it, and then catch it with your index finger. And you don't need to push the pen too hard and you don't need to push the pen too hard that it will go like flying off and every going out of the window or hitting someone's head or anything. And and you also not and you also not need to push the pen really like slow. Throw with some power like this, as you can see. And I'm left-handed, that's why I'm doing it with my left hand. And so let me eh, let me do with my right hand, and I haven't did with my right hand before. So this is the first time I'm trying it with my right hand. So this is how it will look when you will first do it. Wait, guys, as you can see, and don't be so frustrated, cause like when I was a beginner, I get so frustrated, man, cause it keeps falling off, man. Like how? Why? So that's why don't get frustrated, guys. And once you master the thumb around, and it will look like this when you throw it. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. So till then, bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here. And also don't forget to hit that like button and also comment down below which trick you wanted to learn next. So till then, goodbye.